Meet the cleaner fish.
The cleaner fish are small species that play a big role in ocean health. Found on coral reefs around the world, these fish have a unique job. They clean larger fish by eating parasites and dead skin. Popular examples include the blue streak cleaner wrasse and certain types of gobies. Their services help keep larger fish, like groupers and sharks, free from harmful irritants.
How cleaning sessions work.
Larger fish approach cleaner fish and signal for attention by stopping and displaying special body postures. The cleaner fish carefully swim around their clients, picking off parasites, dead skin, and even leftover food. These cleaning sessions can last anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, giving the client relief from itchy parasites and the cleaner fish a nutritious meal.
Mutual benefits. A win-win relationship.
This relationship is known as mutualism. Both parties benefit. The cleaner fish gets steady meals from the parasites and debris they remove. Meanwhile, their clients, such as sharks and groupers, experience smoother skin, better overall health, and fewer parasite-related diseases. Scientists believe this bond is key to the well-being of many reef communities.
Why don't predators eat cleaner fish?
Amazingly, most big fish don't eat their tiny cleaners. Cleaner fish are protected by a gentleman's agreement. The client fish tolerate them because the service is valuable. Some clients even wait their turn at cleaning stations. If a predator does attack, other fish remember and may avoid letting it be cleaned in the future, which discourages bad behavior.
Cleaner fish and ocean health.
Cleaner fish help keep reefs balanced by controlling parasite levels and maintaining the health of bigger fish. Without them, parasite problems could spread rapidly. Their work is so important that scientists believe cleaner fish play a role in supporting the diversity and resilience of coral reefs, making them unsung heroes beneath the waves.